Started with nothing but hands and hope. Dirt on the soul, still learn the code. Every scar got a lesson tied. Every floor got a story inside. Ain't singing loud, just singing true. Always humming in something new. Hear that pain in the timber grain. Hear that work in the countertop. Truman. Built it slow, built it right. Truman. Countertops dull, I bring them back. Wood flows tight, I smooth that path. Ain't no rush, let the craft speak. Patience heavy like a back bend weak. Same hands that carry weight. Now roll and shine where homes get fade. From field homes to city lights. Same soul grinding day and night. You can hear it build. You can feel it coming. Roll it slow, let it heal. Every pass make the truth reveal. Stone wake up, wood stand tall. Room work, touching it all. Roll it slow, let it shine. Legacy heavy, not overnight. This ain't hype, this earn respect. Soul in the work, that's the connect. I ain't flexing, I'm testifying. Seen hard times, still kept applying. Every house I step inside, I leave it better than I arrived. Jazz crying in the background, future knocking but roots stay ground. It's that work you feel in your chest, not just clean, it's soul at rest. From the field to the future.